Good day viewers, let's discuss how to protect yourself from identity theft and financial fraud today. Protecting yourself from identity theft and financial fraud is crucial in today's digital age where personal information is increasingly vulnerable. Here are some essential tips to safeguard your identity and finances. 1. Secure your personal information. Keep sensitive documents such as social security cards, passports, and financial statements in a secure location at home. Avoid carrying unnecessary identification documents in your wallet or purse. Be cautious about sharing personal information online, especially on social media platforms. Avoid posting details such as your full name, address, phone number, or birthdate publicly. 2. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Create strong, unique passwords for your online accounts, including financial accounts, email, and social media. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters, and avoid using easily guessable passwords such as 123456 or password. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, whenever possible for an extra layer of security. 2FA requires both a password and a secondary verification method, such as a text message code or authentication app to access your accounts. 3. Monitor your financial accounts regularly. Review your bank and credit card statements regularly for any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. Report any discrepancies to your financial institution immediately. Sign up for account alerts and notifications to receive real-time alerts for unusual account activity, such as large withdrawals, purchases, or changes to your account settings. 4. Shred sensitive documents. Shred or securely dispose of documents containing personal or financial information before throwing them away. This includes credit card statements, bank statements, receipts, and pre-approved credit offers. 5. Be wary of phishing scams. Be cautious about clicking on links or downloading attachments in unsolicited emails, text messages, or social media messages, especially if they request personal or financial information. Verify the legitimacy of the sender by contacting the company directly using contact information from their official website or statement. 6. Secure your devices and networks. Install and regularly update antivirus and anti-malware software on your computers, smartphones, and other devices to protect against viruses, malware, and other cyber threats. Secure your home Wi-Fi network with a strong, unique password, and enable encryption to prevent unauthorized access to your internet connection. 7. Freeze your credit. Consider placing a credit freeze or fraud alert on your credit report to prevent unauthorized access to your credit information. A credit freeze restricts access to your credit report, making it more difficult for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you can reduce the risk of identity theft and financial fraud, and protect yourself from cyber threats and scams.